Kitten, and welcome back to another episode of SunSweetCooking. Today, we are gonna be making an amazing tomato soup. Let's get started. There we go. Now, if you remember, in my last video, I made a yummalicious ham and cheese sandwich, and it would pair beautifully with this tomato soup recipe. We have all of our ingredients here. We have our tomatoes, our garlic, our onions, our fresh basil, our olive oil, and some vegetable broth. If you're short on time, you may want to use just canned tomatoes, but the vine tomatoes have a more robust flavor. I recommend using on the vine. We're going to preheat our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we will cut our tomatoes, onion, and garlic into little 2-inch sections. Don't forget to ask a parent for help with sharp knives. I've chopped up all of my onions, all of my garlic, and all of my tomatoes. Now we want to squirt on some olive oil. A little more. There we go. Now we'll want to sprinkle on some kosher salt. Don't be afraid to use a lot. It'll bring out more of the natural flavor, and that is what we want. Nobody wants a flavorless soup. We are gonna put this in the oven for 15 minutes. Careful when opening the oven. Whew, heat in my face. .15 minutes. There we go. Our timer has 15 seconds left, so let's take it out. It smells yummalicious. Okay. Ooh. Now to mix it up. Careful, it's gonna be hot. We're flipping these around so that we can get that nice roasted flavor. We're gonna cook this for 12 minutes, then we're gonna broil it for 3. Oh, there we go. Handle this with care. Don't be afraid to ask a parent for help. But look at all this flavor. The black bits are not bad. They are more flavor. You'll want to put all of this into a high-speed blender. If you guys do not have a Vitamix, that is okay. You can use a Ninja or a stick immersion blender, as long as it gets the job done. You also want to add in some basil. Don't forget the lid. Now to turn it on. That was violence. Now that we have finished blending, we are gonna make a roux. If you have watched my Thanksgiving Day video, we're gonna make a roux very similar to that. Meet me at the stove. For our roux, we are gonna melt some butter on medium-low heat. And make sure that you are constantly whisking once you add in some flour also, once the butter is completely melted. Be very careful when you're adding the flour so that it doesn't create a snowstorm. Our butter has completely melted, so it's time to add the flour. And whisk it all together. Well, we will want to cook this for about 60 seconds or until it's golden brown. Once it's golden brown, you'll want to add some vegetable broth and some white sugar. Ooh, now it's looking golden brown. Time to add the broth. The reason I'm pouring it like this is so that air can get in it and it's not all gluggy. Make sure to scrape the bottom for all the delicious flavor. Also add the sugar. Now we will want to add in our puree. Be careful, it may want to slop. Like that. And whisk it in. If you want, you can also add in some heavy whipping cream, and that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna cook and reduce this for a little bit, just so it thickens. Our soup has reduced a little bit, so now it's time to add the cream. If you want a creamier soup like me, you can add 1/4 to 1/2 cup. whisk it in. Now we will want to cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes. There we go. Don't forget to check up on your soup and give it a stir. Woof. Now it's time for the taste test. It's yummalicious. You know what I pair that with though? A grilled ham and cheese sandwich. Yum. That was the perfect combo. You need to check out both my videos. Until next time, Kitten signing off.